In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Klarna on Amazon. The first thing that you will need to do is to open Klarna on your browser. You can also do this on the application version of Klarna, scanning this QR. And here, go ahead and hover your mouse on the shop section. And here, go ahead and click on the Explore Stores button. And this will redirect you into this page. Now, in this page, go ahead and scroll down. And in here, you can simply set this filter to alphabetical to easily find Amazon from the stores available for Klarna. So just go ahead and set this to alphabetical. Now, once you scroll down in this section, you'll be able to find Amazon. Now, if you don't want to do this and you want to immediately find Amazon on the platform, what you can do is to just simply use the search bar. So you'll find this at the top of your screen. In here, go ahead and search for Amazon and hit on the enter button to be able to find Amazon immediately. So once you click on Amazon, you'll get redirected to the Amazon application in this section. And here, you'll need to sign into your account. And since you opened this application through Klarna, and given that you have a Klarna account, you can simply use Klarna as a payment method on Amazon once you check out for your latest buy on the platform. And that's how you can simply use Klarna on Amazon. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.